Hi, my name is Delyn, and today I will be introducing you to NEXT-Timesheets and time tracking abilities. As Intuit advisors, time is the biggest commodity that we sell. Next was built specifically to account for the manner in which an Intuit advisor functions and works with their clients in regards to time. The timesheets in Next track the contact, not just the company that you are working with, as well as the opportunities and cases or support tickets that it is associated with. These cannot be done in QuickBooks or in Method CRM without Next. Next allows you to create timesheets for you and your employees and track billable time that can be exported directly into QuickBooks. This includes time spent on site with clients, support telephone calls, or any other billable time. If a user needs to enter time from the Next desktop, they will click the Enter Time button, which will then bring up the new Edit Time Tracking entry screen. The timekeeper will populate for current logged in user. You can choose the customer or job, as well as the specific contact that it's associated with. You can also enter the time by entering play, and it'll time track it, or you can enter the time manually. Let's say it was 45 minutes, and you can enter it like that. The service item, we have services in our drop-down menu, or you can add a new service item. You can customize that to show which ones you normally use or most use, whether the time was billable or not billable. The case that it's associated with, the opportunity, and then you have notes for internal and billing notes. These are more specific notes that you can reference later. You also have the ability to copy these notes straight over if you do want them to end up on your QuickBooks invoice, or you can just do notes for billing that your client will see on their invoice. And then you can save and close or save and new. You can also enter time from the Time tab up at the top of your desktop. Here you will see 4 options: time tracking, submit times, approve times, and time tracker. Time tracking pulls up the exact same window that you were just in. Same idea, you can enter a specific time right here. Submit times allows users to record and submit their times for approval. So you can actually filter by view, you can click different ones, and then you can actually submit the selected times. And then approve times allows managers to approve submitted times and push them onto QuickBooks for processing in payroll. So you'll see those ones we just submitted, and we're actually set up as a manager, so we can approve times. And then you'll see me select certain ones that I approve, and it'll push them straight onto QuickBooks. The time tracker allows you to start and stop numerous activities from one screen, and at the end of the day you can combine like activities and it'll merge notes. If you are working on a project and get stopped by a support call and then return to that project, you can keep track of both on one screen. As you can see, we started this one a little earlier. We're going to go ahead and stop that time, and you'll see it automatically comes up. And so you can keep track of numerous activities in one screen. You can start and stop different ones as you take a new call or as you start a new project. They're all going to be right here, and then you can submit them at the end of the day. Since you can have time tracking abilities for your vendors and your employees, you will need to determine which employees and vendors will have the ability to track time within Next. By changing your preferences, you can go to your Next preference from your desktop. And as you can see right here, we have 2 users and they're both timekeepers. You can change that at any time and update it. And as you can see, Robin is the only timekeeper. You can change that to non-timekeepers, and you'll see the one we just changed. We're going to go ahead and change that back. And then you want to check the box if the timekeeper is able to see and edit other times. That's what we have as managers. So they can see and edit other people's times, or if they're able to approve the time to be pushed into QuickBooks, that's an approver. And so you change that right here, and then you'll save that. And as I said before, time is your biggest commodity that we sell. And here is an all-in-one tool for accurately keeping track of and billing clients. So there you have it with our time tracking abilities. Now, if you are interested in other features Next has to offer, check out our instructional videos on our YouTube channel or give us a call to set up a demo at VARC Solutions at 281-412-6914 or email us at next@varcsolutions.com. We look forward to hearing from you.